In this video, let's see how to automated call initiate and status update effectively. Click the three-dot menu next to the contact again and select Add to Automated Call. Select Automated Call from the drop-down in the side menu, and a success message confirms the action. In the navigation bar, click on Start Call. In the modal, click on Confirm to proceed with the call during restricted hours. In the Add Call Notes modal, click on Add Label plus dot. In the Add Call Notes modal, select the Recall label from the drop-down menu. In the same modal, click the Save and Next button. In the Restricted Calling Hours pop-up, click the Confirm button. In the Add Call Notes modal, click the Save and Next button to trigger the follow-up automated call. You'll also have the option to pause the automation. Thank you for watching.